Johnny here with late-breaking real estate news. You might be wondering, who are the people who can actually buy a home here in San Diego County? Well, the National Association of Realtors just released the report. It talks about the buyers and sellers here. Well, just for a minute, why don't we just talk about the buyers? I think you're going to find this pretty interesting. As it turns out, first-time home buyers made up 32% of all purchase transactions, and that is actually up 26% from last year. The average age of the first-time home buyer, believe it or not, is 35 years old, and the average age of repeat home buyers is 58 years old. Now, also 59% of recent buyers are married couples, and get this, 70% of recent buyers are people who do not have children in their home under the age of 18. And finally, one more interesting side note, and that is 14% of buyer purchases were known as multi-generational homes, meaning to either bring aging parents into the home or so adult children could move back in.